Hello mga loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Bubuchang once again, and today I'm gonna have a different setting of vlog. This is actually a how-to vlog because a lot of you has been asking me how I get my music or the karaoke or the instrumental of my song covers. Actually, there are a lot of instrumentals and karaoke music in YouTube, so you can just go ahead and search the song that you like to cover, and that's it. You can sing along. However, there are times that the song is really rare and you cannot see or find any instrumental of that song, but you really like that song. So I discovered something in YouTube as well, and I would like to share it with you guys. So we can, now is the future, so we can actually separate the music and the instrumentals and the a cappella from the song. So how great is that, right? Okay, so without further ado, let me get started. Okay, so, and this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Bubuchang's World. Click the notification button, okay? Alright, so here it goes. We need to go to melody.ml. Yes, melody.ml, and it will show you this website. It will separate music tracks using machine learning. Alright. Okay, so all you have to do is to just input first your email, so your email there, whatever your email is. And as you can see, there's credit 1. So there are 3 credits, so I already used the 1 credit, so that's it. So you can separate either the voice, the instrumental, or the voice, the drums, instrumental, so you have to choose before you upload your MP3. Okay, so upload your MP3 right after you enter your email. So click upload MP3, and remember, MP3 files only, no MP4, so just MP3. So please keep that in mind. And since I already got this, so I will just show this for presentation purposes, so you have to open it, but for this one, I will just cancel it because I already uploaded it here. I don't want to use any of my credits, any more of my credits. Okay, so once you did that, you have to go to your email because they will send the file to your email. There you go. And there's a link that they will give you, and you have they will be giving you a zip file. So I already got that, so I'm gonna cancel that one. Alright, so this is the zip file, so you have to extract the file in order for you to really use the file properly. Already got that one, so I will just cancel it, but for you have to extract it, okay? Alright, so this is the file. As you can see, there are 2 kinds, so a cappella, accompaniment and the a cappella thing. So all you need to do is just to install that or transfer that to your recording media like this. So let's listen. Alright, as you can see, a cappella is on the top, the orange one, so it's not singing anymore because I disabled it. So cool, right? Alright, let's try with the a cappella together with the music. Alright, so it's legit, guys. You can separate the music from the a cappella. Woohoo! Alright, so if you guys, if you're having a hard time looking for the instrumental or the karaoke version in YouTube, you can just go ahead and do this. But again, there are only 3 attempts to do this one. So if you want unlimited ones, you can create another email or stuff like that. Okay, so that's it, mga loves. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something big today. I hope I shared something big to the music to all the music lovers out there. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to comment to my video here below if you want any other suggestions, or if you want me to do any other how-to videos to share with you guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified to the next videos that I will have in the future. And of course, please don't forget to like this video and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.